In a few weeks from now, everything's going to be back to normal. COVID-19 will be a thing of the past, and it won't be that long before it becomes like SARS and all the other things that come and go. But what's going to happen with your life? Are you going to have the same habits that you had before? Are you going to have the same unfulfillment or the same dissatisfaction? Are you looking for purpose in life? Have you discovered that other people think differently? That there's a very small percentage of people that actually become very successful? And what's the difference between the way they are and the way that most of the population is? And that's the way they think. So if you're interested in discovering a new way of thinking so you can change the course of your life, then click the link. But before you do, just know that when you do join our workshops, then in the first 10 minutes, you're going to have the first 3 life tools. And then in the next 20 minutes of the workshop, we're going to be able to apply them specifically to your life so that you're able to see immediate changes, immediate benefits. So I'm looking forward to seeing you on our workshop.